I'm here at 153 Wolf Creek Drive. This brick house has everything you have ever wanted in a family home. Every single thing about it. The wood, the hardwood is gorgeous. The appliances are amazing. The bathrooms are beautiful. It's completely updated and painted and gorgeous with 4 garages, 3 washing machine and dryers. The location is superb. Everything about this home is what you've been looking for, and you're gonna want it. It is fabulous. Do not wait because the price is great. Do not wait because the price is great. This house is incredible. Give me a call. Call JoJo Jones, 478-731-1302. 153 Wolf Creek Drive.